we'll guide you through how to make pixel transition Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for the app to load completely. Once it is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. After that, set your project settings according to your needs. When the settings are ready, press Create Project to open the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen and import the footage that you want to use in your project. After adding the footage, extend its duration based on how long you want the transition effect to last. Once the footage duration is set, select the footage layer and go to the Effect option. Press Add Effect to open the list of available effects. Inside the effect categories, find the Blur option and select it to view the blur effects. Within the Blur section, find Mosaic and select it. After selecting Mosaic, choose the Standard Settings option to apply the effect to your footage. Once the effect is applied, adjust the size value based on your needs. Increasing the size creates larger pixel blocks, while lower values create smaller pixel blocks. Continue adjusting until you find the pixelated look that matches the style you want for the transition. You can also play with the offset setting if needed to further change the appearance of the mosaic effect. After finding the right values, turn on the keyframe option so the effect can animate over time. Create your first keyframe using the mosaic settings you selected. Then move forward on the timeline and set the second keyframe value to 0. This causes the mosaic effect to gradually disappear, creating a pixel transition as the footage becomes clear again. Once both keyframes are in place, go to the curve option. Inside the curve section, set the curve based on your preference. Different curve styles will change how quickly or smoothly the pixel effect transitions between the keyframes.